Welcome to Geospatial channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to measure any feature that is found in the Google Earth Pro. So as you can see here, this is the imagery, and using the satellite imagery, we could measure the distance. So let us have a look at it. So as you can see, the center line, which is starting from here and extending up to here. So let us measure the distance of this line. I'm going to start from here to here. So I'm going to just measure this center line. You could use the tool called as show ruler, and this is the tool. And now we are going to select line, and we are going to select the parameter as kilometers. You can zoom in. So I'm going to start from here, and I'm going to measure up to here. So I'm going to see the total distance. So you can see it is around 3.72 kilometers. You can also change the units. So in meters it will be around 3719 meters. So I'm going to just clear it. Now we could see another example how to measure a road in the Google Earth Pro. So let us take an example, and I'm going to start to measure the road from here up to here. I'm going to measure the road, measurement of road. So it can be used for any specific location, for a road or measuring a building. Likewise, anything can be done. But height can be measured, height cannot be measured. So now I'm going to select path as my tool. I'm going to select the kilometers once again. I'm going to start over here. I'm going to just input the point one by one. So if you need it more accurately, we need to just zoom in much more to the location, so that our accuracy level will be more. The measurement will be much more clearer. You can use the W button to go up, S button to come down, A button to come left, and D button to come right. So likewise, W for up, S for down, A for left, D for right. So you could see here I'm just measuring the road. So up till now it is around 9.2 kilometers. In the bends you can use you can implant more points over here to measure it correctly. So we just going to finish this calculation. So if we need it more accurately, we need to just zoom in to the map, so that the accuracy level will be higher. So I'm going to finish over here, and you will see the length of the road. It is around 14.64 kilometers, starting from this end to this end. So this is the length of the road. You can measure it accurately by zooming in. And now we are going to see another example. So if you want, you can just save it. You can save it as a path. You can give it a name. And press OK to save it. So it will be saved in the temporary places. Now we just go back to the tool, and we are going to calculate the area using this tool. And now we go back to this location, where we will be drawing a circle and finding out the area of this circle. So you can see here. So I think these are the farmlands. I guess it I guess it is to be a farmland. So now hit the button circle, and now press on, just zoom in, click on the center of the circle. Now you could see a circle has been constructed, and you could measure the radius of the circle. If you need the um, if you need it in meters, you can just change it. You can see the uh, square meter, that is the area. You can see the circumference. Likewise, you can do it for any location. So I'm going to do it once again. Just click on the center of the circle. Sorry, let me clear it once again. Now just click on the circle once again. Center, we need to just place it, click it in the center, and now you could see, you could measure the, now we have to click once again, so it has been fixed. Now you can see the radius, area. Likewise, you can also measure in Polygon, using Polygon. For example, if you need to find this area, you can measure using the Polygon. So I have selected Polygon, and I'm going to select the uh, units and kilometers, square kilometers. So I'm going to measure the area of this box. So let us have a look at it. Zoom in to the level so that the calculation will be much more accurate. So I'm starting from here. You could put some more points in between to make it to make the shape more perfect. So you could put some more points over here to make it more accurate. Now and then press button R in order to stabilize your image. So the R button will be helping to stabilize your image so that the calculation won't be having any trouble. So press the button R to stabilize your image every now and then. So if you zoom it to the maximum level, the accuracy will be more. You can also click on the points, and you can just change the points like this. You can drag it and drop it by pressing on the individual points. You can alter it. So you could see here I have constructed a polygon, and you could see the measurements. So that is around the perimeter is around 20.7 kilometers, and you can see the area. It is in yeah, it's a big area. That is what I can find. So you could also save this. Hit the button save, polygon measure, give some name, give OK. It will be saved in the temporary file. If you need it to save permanently, I'll be showing you, and I'll be making a video on it. Please do refer that video. So thanks for watching Geospatial channel. Goodbye everyone.